For most creatures on Earth, sleep is not just a luxury, it's a biological necessity, a time to restore energy, heal the body, and consolidate memories. But what if we told you that some remarkable animals have evolved to survive without what we consider proper sleep? This is the hidden world of nature's unsleeping survivors, organisms that defy our fundamental understanding of rest and activity. From the depths of the oceans to the highest altitudes, these creatures challenge everything we thought we knew about the need for sleep. Join us on an extraordinary journey into the lives of animals that never sleep, or at least not in ways we would recognize. Marine mammals, the half-awake giants. Meet the ocean's ingenious insomniacs, dolphins. These marine mammals have developed one of nature's most fascinating adaptations. Hemispheric sleep, literally sleeping with one half of their brain at a time, while the other remains awake and vigilant. This extraordinary ability allows them to maintain constant movement, surface for air, and protect themselves from predators. For newborn dolphins and their mothers, sleep is postponed entirely during the first month of life, as they bond and remain alert to dangers. Their larger cousins, orcas, also known as killer whales, exhibit similar patterns. As apex predators, they must remain constantly aware of their environment and maintain complex social structures within their pods. Unihemispheric sleep enables this continuous vigilance without compromising rest entirely. Avian marvels, sleeping on the wing. High above the earth, another sleep revolution is taking place. The alpine swift, a medium-sized bird native to Europe, Asia, and Africa, spends up to 6 months continuously in flight during migration periods. These remarkable birds eat, mate, and even sleep while flying. They enter a state of torpor, reducing their metabolic rate and body temperature to conserve energy, while adjusting their wing movements to navigate efficiently through the air. They're not alone. Great frigate birds similarly take unihemispheric naps mid-flight, surviving on as little as 45 minutes of sleep per day during long oceanic journeys. This adaptation allows them to cover vast distances without landing, while remaining alert to aerial threats and feeding opportunities. Aquatic and amphibian innovations. In the watery realms, equally strange adaptations have evolved. The American bullfrog challenges our very definition of sleep. Research suggests these amphibians don't experience true sleep-wake cycles, but instead enter periods of reduced activity, while maintaining awareness of their surroundings. Bullfrogs can remain responsive to stimuli even during extended inactive periods, with scientists noting they react similarly regardless of apparent rest states. This constant readiness helps them avoid predators and seize hunting opportunities in their aquatic environments. Even sharks, often mythologized as perpetual swimmers, exhibit diverse rest strategies. Species like great white sharks must maintain movement to push oxygenated water over their gills through ram ventilation, while bottom dwellers like nurse sharks use buccal pumping to rest stationary on the ocean floor. The brainless and the minimal sleepers. Perhaps most astonishing are the creatures that challenge whether a brain is even necessary for sleep-like states. Jellyfish, despite lacking a central nervous system, exhibit clear periods of reduced activity at night with decreased responsiveness to stimuli, suggesting a primitive form of sleep regulation. Similarly, sea urchins cycle between high and low activity periods, despite their simple anatomy. These discoveries suggest that sleep-like states may have evolved much earlier in evolutionary history than previously believed, perhaps in some of Earth's most ancient life forms. Even among mammals, some species survive on minimal sleep. Giraffes sleep as little as 30 minutes daily in brief power naps, while African elephants can stay awake for weeks when threatened, surviving on short episodes of deep sleep while leaning against trees for support. Conservation and conclusion. These extraordinary adaptations didn't develop in a vacuum. They evolved in response to specific environmental pressures and threats. As human activities increasingly impact these ecosystems, we risk disrupting the delicate balances that allow these remarkable Sleep strategies to succeed. Protecting these unsleeping wonders means preserving their habitats and understanding their unique biological needs. By supporting conservation efforts, we ensure that these marvels of evolution continue to thrive and that we maintain the biodiversity that makes our planet extraordinary. In the endless variety of life on Earth, nature has devised countless solutions to the challenge of rest and vigilance. These animals remind us that even our most fundamental biological experiences aren't universal, and that in the hidden world of the unsleeping, evolution has written some of its most remarkable stories.